morning, young men and women of Marietta 6th Grade Academy. I hope you remember me. I am Brandy Hinnant-Crawford, a doctoral student at Emory University. You may recall seeing me on a video last fall. Well, before I begin, I would like to thank you so much for all your hard work on the surveys last fall. You gave us a lot of good, detailed information about what you think and feel about mathematics. Well, we're at it again. We're going to be passing out surveys again this spring to see how you think and feel about mathematics. Now, I know you may get the survey and say, wait a minute, I already answered these questions. That's okay. We want to see if you've changed your mind. If you have changed your mind, indicate it. You don't have to put the same answer you did last time. And if you haven't changed your mind and you still feel the same way that you felt last fall, that's fine too. We will also do this again next year when you're in 7th grade. So, in a few moments, your teacher is going to pass out a survey that looks just like the one you did in the fall. And we want you to do the same thing. Take your time, read each question, and answer it. Now, do remember, at the top of each survey, we need to know who you are, but we don't want to know your name. So put your lunch number at the top of your survey. Okay, now I'm going to play the instructions from last time in case you have any questions about how to fill it out. Thank you so much for your participation. We are learning so much about how young people think about mathematics and how they feel about it. Hopefully this will help us to improve teaching strategies in the future. We really appreciate your feedback. Thanks again.
As I said a moment before, this is all about math and your feelings about math, so there's no right or wrong answer. Remember, this is not a test. Do not even put your name on the survey. Make sure your lunch number is at the top of the survey. If it's not, write it on a blank survey. Your teacher should have some. Go back and make sure you did not skip any of the questions. Ask your teacher if there's a question you do not understand. This is what the instructions of the survey will look like. Make sure you read it thoroughly. Here is what the actual survey looks like. If you look at question 1, it's answered incorrectly because no choices were made. Question number 2 is also incorrect because they circled 2 choices instead of 1. We want you to answer every question like question 3 with only 1 circled. Thank you so much, 6th Grade Academy.